Okay, so these are the cable to Hydrotrans mounts from Innovative. I haven't really seen any videos about them, so I guess I'll be making a video today. So pretty much what these are intended to do, they're supposed to be able to hook your cable up to it from your cable trans, and you're supposed to be able to kind of adapt your cable to work with as if it were a slave. So first piece, I believe. All right, so I believe these two holes go where the slave goes, and then this one's supposed to go where the engine bolt or transmission bolt is. It's supposed to go something like this, like that. All right, so it's supposed to go in like that. All right, so it bolts on something like this. I'm pretty sure the cable's supposed to push it up like that. Well, all right, now this second piece goes right, this second piece goes right here, so it bolts up to that bolt, and this one right here, and it's supposed to line up with that once you bolt it up. All right, so this is what it looks like with the cable connected, the bottom piece down there and this upper piece, and then this little silver ball mechanism goes into the slave, or the not the slave, the fork for the throwout bearing. And I mean, the way I adjusted it was to where there was barely like any play at all, just to where you could kind of barely feel a click. And I tightened this oh my god, this bolt right here, and then with this I just loosened it all the way up, and I tightened it all the way down to where I felt the pressure, and then released it one click. And then I guess that's how I left it. All right, so from the last clip, it's been about maybe 2-3 weeks. I had to do some adjustment to it because for some reason it just didn't feel right. So, okay, so I kind of had to back the bolt or the little ball back in. It was a little confusing because the pedal feel is kind of weird. I had to adjust the cable again, and I mean, it's really hard not to stretch your cable when you're using this thing, because you really don't feel the pedal that much. And if you try to push the pedal all the way to the ground, you start really stretching it. And the best way I could explain it is usually when you turn on the car, you want to kind of push the pedal all the way down. But with this, when you push the pedal all the way down, you feel like you're kind of forcing it. And no matter how you adjust it, it feels like you're really forcing it. So I don't know if that's just user error or if it's just how this thing works. But you don't really feel the buy point till boom, right there. And I mean, that's pretty high up. Right here is it's really sloppy. You don't really feel anything. So honestly, it works. I've been driving like this for about 3 weeks, maybe about a month already. But I would honestly, if I were to rate this out of 10, I'd probably give it a 7. Honestly, you're probably better off just converting your whole car to hydro. But if this is your only choice, this is probably the best option you're gonna get. But I mean, it works. The car drives, you can shift nice and smooth, and it's just a weird pedal feeling. So yeah, All right, so that was just a quick video I wanted to make. I don't usually make videos, but since I didn't really see anybody make a video about this, or at least showing how it feels, because I've seen videos like maybe one or two on it, but I haven't seen anything that shows what the actual pedal feel is, or that shows how it actually works or anything. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment, let me know if you want to see more videos. But yeah, thank you for watching.